Hi everyone, Katy Mayo here. Are you ready to get started with our Cristin Creates Planet Applique Swaddle Sweetie? So today's tutorial is going to be a quick one. It'll be a single hooping. We're making two things that have to get stitched before the bigger steps can be accomplished. So we're going to do the ears. So for that, we'll need the dollskin jersey, and for the wings, we'll need the knit print. And for both, we'll need the white fleece lining and piece of Velcro for the wings. Let's get started. So let's talk about something new, two-way knit. So what that means is one direction, there is no give to it, and the other direction, it has the stretch. In the case of our doll jersey, the width of it being narrow, it has the stretch, but the length of it, there's not nearly the stretch. So you'll want to keep that in mind, and I have pictures prepared of the cutting diagram. So this is your width, and this is your stretch, and then there's no stretch going this direction. Well, a little bit, but not much, not nearly as much. You'll be able to tell the difference whenever you tug on it. And it's the opposite for both the fleece and the print. So as you can see, this is the long direction, and there's a whole lot of stretch to it that way. But when I tug on it in the narrow direction, there's virtually no stretch to it whatsoever. And the same is true for the fleece. So there's no stretch and go the long way, and there's a whole lot of stretch. So that should make sense whenever you see the pictures of the cutting diagram. You might wonder what will happen if the fabric is cut going the wrong direction with the stretch. So the worst that would happen is that you have a long and skinny face and a tall and skinny body. But round and full makes for a cute baby. And the way to achieve that is having the stretch going widthwise. So again, it should make sense when you see the cutting diagram. Okay, so we're at the machine with our 5x7 files available on the machine. We're going to start with the 5x7 wings Velcro version. Wings Velcro version 5x7. Load that into your hoop. And what you want to do first, because of the way these wings are loaded in the design, we are going to rotate it a little bit. See how they're one is a little to the left of the other. We're going to rotate that so that they're more vertical. And I have my rotate option selected. I'm going to turn it just a little bit. And the reason that we're doing this is for our cut piece of our fleece. And then you'll want to reposition this on the hoop so that it fits, and slide it over to the right just a little bit. And now let's get ready to stitch that.